Good afternoon. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. This cafe is very nice.
It is. I come here often.
Really? It's my first time here.
Welcome then.
The menu looks good. What do you recommend?
The chicken sandwich is very popular.
Is it grilled or fried?
It's grilled. It comes with salad.
That sounds good. I'll try it.
Good choice.
What are you having?
A tuna sandwich and orange juice.
Nice. Do they have coffee?
Yes. Their coffee is very good.
Great. I'll order a hot coffee.
Good idea. It's cold today.
Yes, it is.
Would you like to sit together?
Sure. That would be nice.
Let's order.
Okay. Excuse me. Is this the bus stop for downtown?
Yes, it is.
Oh, good. I was not sure.
Don't worry. This is the right place.
When does the next bus come?
In about 10 minutes.
That's good. Is it bus number 12?
Yes. Number 12 goes downtown.
Perfect. I need to go to the mall.
The mall is near the last stop.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is the bus usually on time?
Most of the time, yes.
How much is the ticket?
It's $2.
Do I need exact change?
Yes, or a bus card.
I only have a $10 bill.
There is a shop over there. You can get change.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
Oh, look, the bus is coming.
Yes, that's ours.
Let's go.
Have a nice trip.
Good morning.
Good morning. You must be the new employee.
Yes, I am. My name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you. Today is my first day.
Welcome to the team.
I'm a little nervous.
That's normal.
Thank you.
Let me show you around.
That would be great.
This is the meeting room.
It looks nice.
Your desk is near the window.
Oh, I like the view.
You're lucky.
What time do we start work?
At 9 a.m.
And lunchtime?
At 12:30.
Is there a cafeteria?
Yes, on the first floor.
Everyone seems friendly.
We have a good team.
I'm happy to be here.
We're happy to have you.
Thank you for your help.
Anytime.
Good afternoon. I'm here to see the apartment.
Good afternoon. Please come in.
The place looks nice.
Thank you. It's new.
How many bedrooms are there?
1 bedroom and 1 bathroom.
That's perfect. I live alone.
Then it's a good size for you.
Is it furnished?
Yes. It has a bed, sofa, and table.
Is there a washing machine?
Yes, in the kitchen.
How much is the rent?
$800 per month.
Are utilities included?
Water is included. Electricity is separate.
Is there a deposit?
Yes, 1 month's rent.
When is it available?
From next Monday.
I like it. I want to apply.
Great. I need your ID and proof of income.
I have them with me.
Perfect.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course.
I can't find the milk.
It's in aisle 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are there any discounts today?
Yes. Fruits are 20% off.
That's great. I need apples and bananas.
They are very fresh today.
Where is the rice?
In aisle 8.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept cash and cards.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
Where is the checkout?
At the front of the store.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you. I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you felt like this?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Are you taking any medicine?
Just some painkillers.
I see. Let me check your throat.
Okay.
Your throat is red. You have a mild infection.
Is it serious?
No, not serious. You need rest and medicine.
What should I take?
I will give you antibiotics. Take them twice a day.
Before or after meals?
After meals.
Thank you, doctor.
Get some rest and drink warm water.
I will. Thank you.
Get well soon.
Good afternoon. I'd like to check in.
Of course. May I see your passport?
Here you go.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
To Singapore.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Is the weight okay?
Yes, it's fine.
Great. Can I have a window seat?
Let me check. Yes, seat 14A is available.
Perfect. Thank you.
Here is your boarding pass.
What time does boarding start?
At 3:20 p.m.
Which gate?
Gate 12.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you. Hi. Can I get a coffee, please?
Sure. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size? Small or medium?
Medium.
Would you like any flavor?
Do you have vanilla?
Yes, we do.
Okay, vanilla, please.
For here or to go?
To go.
Anything else?
Yes, one chocolate muffin.
Sure. That will be $6.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
How long will it take?
Just a few minutes.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.